Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to SPS online classes. Today we will discuss the subject is mathematics from class 9th and we will continue with our exercise 1G. So at least few questions we completely solved in our previous classes and rest of the questions today I will solve. So basically question number 8 evaluate or find the value of the given question. Find the value of the given question. The first question is that question number first is that question number 3, 8 of 3, that means 81 by 16 whole power minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 big bracket and 25 by 9 पे whole power minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2 divide 5 by 2 पे power 5 by 2 पे power minus 3. So you have to find the value of this question, find the answer of this question. So you have to solve. So simply as we know that 1 by x can be written as x to the power minus 1 or x to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by x. So similarly 1 by x simply x by y to the power minus 1, this will be what? 1 by x by y. It will be equals to what? Y by x. It equal to what? Y by x. So you will use similar concept with this question. This will do what? 16 by 81 to the power what? 3 by 4 and look at here. Similarly 9 by 24 to the power क्या? 3 by 2 and divide 2 by 5 पे power what? 3. 2 by 5 पे power what? 3. Now 16 can be written as 4p square into 16 can be written as 9p square and whole 3 by 4 bracket. This can be written as what? 3 to the square by 5 to the square whole power what? 3 by 2 divide 2 by 5 पे power 3. 2 by 5 पे power 3 and this can be written as 4 by 9 पे whole power 2 into 3 by 4 2 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 5 पे whole power 2 into 3 by 2 divide 2 by 5 पे power 3. अब यहाँ पे कैसे हुआ? As we know that the exponent formulas, from the exponent formulas कि a to the power m by a to the power n, this can be written as a to the power, suppose that कि a to the power m and b to the power m, this can be written as a by b पे whole power m. If power is same and base are different, so we can common the power. We can take common the power. So we can write this. This will be equal to what? This. So this will be equal to what? This way. So 2 cancel, 2 1 2, 2 2s are 4. This will be cancelled. So now we have what? 4 by 9 whole power 3 by 2 and look at here 3 by 5 पे power what? 5 पे power 3 divide 2 by 5 पे power what? 2 by 5 पे power 3. 2 by 5 पे power 3 and this will be equals to what? 4 by 9 पे whole power 3 by 2 into 3 by 5 पे power 3 by 2 बटे 5 पे power 3. 2 बटे 5 पे power 3. तो same bracket close. I mean a to the power m and b to the power n. This will be what? A by b पे whole power m. Similarly, you use this concept with this. So now we will write कि 4 by 9 पे power 3/2 into 4/9 तो फाइनली वी कैन राइट दिस कि 4 मतलब 2/3 फिर 2 into 3/2 into दिस कैन बी रिटन एज कि 3/5 into 5/2 पे होल पावर what 3 तो 2 will be cancelled. Look at here 5 will be cancelled. So we have 2/3 पे power 3 into 3/2 पे power 3 तो 3/2 पे power 3 तो again a to the power m and b to the power m it will be equals to what a into b पे whole power m. So we will use similar concept with this question. With this question that means with this term 2/3 into 3/2 पे whole power 3 3 cancel 2 cancel so finally we have 1 पे power 3 equals to 1 is the answer. What is the answer? So you have to solve this way. You have to solve that kind of question this way. Next, evaluate. Next, question number 9. Evaluate. Evaluate. Next, question number 9. Evaluate. Question is that question number 2. Question number 2 कि 5 into 8 पे power 1/3 plus 27 पे power 1/3 whole power 3 into big bracket whole power 1/4. So we have to find this answer. So simplify. This can be written as 8. So 2 into 2 equal to what? 8. So 2 to power 3 equals to what? 8. That means 2 to power 3 into 1/3 plus 27. The 27 can be written as 3 into 3. That means 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3 into 1/3 पे whole power 3 and big bracket 1/4. 1/4. So now look at this. So 5 small bracket 3 will be cancelled. That means कि 2 plus 3 पे whole power 3 पे and 1/4. So simply so we have now 5 3 to 5 पे power 3 and whole power 1/4. तो look at this कि both are in multiplication. दोनों जो है किस केस में है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के केस में है. एंड देखो सपोज दैट कि बेस आर इक्वल यहाँ पे पावर 1 और यहाँ पे पावर 3. दैट मीन्स कि बोथ आर एडेड. तो फाइनली वी कैन राइट दैट 5 पे पावर 1 plus 3 whole power 1/4. That means 5 पे power 4 into 1/4 कि a to the power m and whole power m equal to what? A to the power n into m. So similarly we can use this concept with this question, with this term. So finally 4 put cancel. The finally 5 पे power 1 equals to 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. So you have to solve using the exponent formulas. Exponent formulae. Another question is there. Question number 10. Prove that PT. Question number 10 PT. PROV. Prove that means PT. Short form PT. Prove that. Question number 10. Prove that PT. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is that 7 into curly braces and 81 पे power 1/4 plus 256 पे power 1/4 whole power 1/4 and big bracket and power 4 equal to what? Equal to 16807. So look at this question. So we will take LHS. LHS equal to what? 7 8. So 81 can be written as 81 तो 81 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3, दैट मीन्स 4 टाइम्स, दैट मीन्स 3 पे पावर 4। तो ये हो जाएगा 3 पे पावर 4 इंटू 1/4 प्लस दिस वे 256, तो 256 कैन बी रिटन एज 4 इंटू 4 इंटू 4 इंटू 4, दैट मीन्स 256 इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ 16, 16 का स्क्वायर है, 81 इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ 9, तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, दिस वे एंड दिस वे, तो यह हो जाएगा इक्वल टू 4 पे पावर 4, दैट मीन्स 4 पे पावर 4 इंटू 1/4 पे होल पावर 1/4 पे पावर 4, तो ये 4 कैंसिल, 4 कैंसिल, तो वी हैव 7 इंटू 3 प्लस 4 पे पावर 1/4 पे होल पावर 4, 1/4 पे होल पावर 4, that means 1/4 पे पावर 4, 1/4 पे पावर 4, तो 1/4 पे पावर 4, तो 3 इंटू 3 प्लस 7 पे पावर 1/4 इंटू 4, तो 4 तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना, 4 विल बी, तो फाइनली तो वी हैव नाउ कि 4 विल बी कैंसिल, 4 विल बी कैंसिल, तो वी हैव 3 प्लस 4 पे होल पावर 1/4 पे होल पावर 4, तो 7 एंड 3 इंटू 4, 3 प्लस 4 7 पे पावर 1/4 पे पावर 4, दिस विल बी व्हाट, 7 पे पावर 1 प्लस 1/4, एज वी नो दैट कि a टू द पावर m इंटू a टू द पावर n, इन केस ऑफ एडिशन तो a टू द पावर m प्लस n, पावर शुड बी 88, तो पावर शुड बी 88 4, दैट मीन्स कि 7 पे पावर 5/4 इंटू पावर 4 कैंसिल, दैट इक्वल्स टू 7 पे पावर 5, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, 16087, 16807, 16807, तो therefore LHS will be equals to what, RHS, तो HENC, hence proved, hence proved, hence proved. Now the next question is that simplify. Question number 12, simplify. Question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 question is that कि simplify. Simplify this way and finally x square. X square. Simplify. Simplify. So as we know that कि x पे पावर 1/4 है, तो सपोज दैट कि 4 रूट एक्स, दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, x पे पावर 1/4, 3 रूट 4, दिस विल डू व्हाट कि 4 पे पावर 1/3, b रूट 4, दैट मीन्स कि 4 पे पावर 1/b, सपोज दैट कि 4 रूट 5 पे 5 4, दैट मीन्स कि 4 पे पावर 1/5. We can use similar concept with this question. That means कि 3 to the power, जैसे x पे पावर रूट, तो x पे पावर, तो we will use similar concept. That means 3 पे पावर, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 3 पे पावर व्हाट, तो x पे पावर व्हाट, तो x पे पावर व्हाट कि 1/3, तो होल पावर व्हाट, होल पावर 1/4. तो पहले इसको हम क्लियर करेंगे. दैट मीन्स कि x पे पावर क्या, क्यूबिक है, दिस मीन्स 1/3 एंड होल क्या 4, दैट मीन्स 1/4. दिस इक्वल टू व्हाट कि x स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर पे होल पावर 1/3 इंटू 1/4, तो दैट मीन्स x स्क्वायर, नाउ द पावर इज 1/3 इंटू 4, दिस विल व्हाट 1/x पे पावर, तो x स्क्वायर पे पावर 1/12 इज द आंसर, 12 इज द आंसर. Next, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज दैट कि 5 to the power x minus 3 into 5 to the power 3 to the power 2x minus 8 equal to what? 2x minus 8 equal to what? कि 225. So we have to find the value of x. X is the x power and variable. That means we don't have idea what is the actual value of x. So as we know that, look at here. Suppose that कि a to the power m, a to the power n, this will be equals to what? a to the power m minus 1 this way, or similarly कि a to the power m minus 1, that means this will be equal to what? कि a to the power m and a to the power n. So that means we can write this term similarly, and also we can write this term similarly. The first method, FIRST, first method, first के लिए हम यूज करेंगे कि 5 पे पावर x minus 3 into 3 पे पावर 2x minus 8, 3 to the power 2x minus 8 equals to what? 225 को हमको चेंज करना है, we have to change 225 in a exponent form. तो 225, look at here, 3 times 7, 5, 3 times 25 and 5 and 5. So that means कि 225 3 into 5 into 5. तो 5 पे पावर x माइनस 3 इंटू 3 पे पावर 2x माइनस 8 इक्वल्स टू वाट? कि 3 पे पावर 2 इंटू 5 पे पावर 2. तो we will compare with the similar base, तो 3 को 3 से and 5 को 5 से. तो now we have कि 5x पे पावर 3 इक्वल्स टू वाट? 5 पे स्क्वायर. Now if base are equal, we will only consider power of the given number. That means कि x minus 3 equals to what? 2. तो finally x equals to what? 2 plus 3 equals to 5. The value of x is 5. The value of x is 5 is the answer. Second term 3x minus second term 3x 3 पे पावर 2x minus 8 equals to what? 3 पे पावर 2. base equal, so we'll compare power. 2x minus 8 equals to what? 2. So 2x equals to what? 2 plus 8 equals to what? 10. So finally x equal to what? 10 by 2, that means 5. So finally x equals to what? 5. So 5 is the answer. तो जब भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आपको मिले, आपको क्या करना है कि इक्वल बेस वाले नंबर के साथ कंपेयर करना है. इक्वल बेस वाले के नंबर के साथ कंपेयर करना. जब बेस मेरा इक्वल हो जाएगा तो पावर को क्या करेंगे? पावर को 8 कर देना. जब बेस मेरा इक्वल हो जाएगा तो पावर को क्या करेंगे? 8 कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट, अब इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे ही बना सकते थे. वेट कि 5 पे पावर x बाई 5 पे पावर 3 इंटू 3 पे पावर 2x बाई 3 पे पावर 8 इक्वल्स टू 3 पे पावर 2 इंटू 5 पे पावर 2. क्लियर? लुक एट दिस कि 5 पे पावर x इंटू 3 पे पावर 2x इक्वल टू वाट? ये एज अ डिनोमिनेटर इससे दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 3 पे स्क्वायर इंटू 5 पे स्क्वायर इंटू 5 पे पावर 3 इंटू 3 पे पावर 8. तो इक्वल बेस पावर को 8 करेंगे. दैट मीन्स 5 पे पावर x इंटू 3 पे पावर 2x इक्वल्स टू वाट? 3 पे पावर 2 प्लस 8 10. तो 3 पे पावर 10 इंटू 5 पे पावर वाट? 3 प्लस 2 5. तो 5 पे पावर 5. नाउ विल कंपेयर इक्वल बेस separately. We will compare with equal base separately. 3 to 3 and 5 to 5. तो 5 पे पावर x इक्वल टू वाट? 5 पे पावर 5. तो बेस आर इक्वल बेस. दैट मीन्स कि x इक्वल टू वाट? 5 इज द आंसर. सेकेंड पॉइंट कि 3 पे पावर 2x इक्वल टू वाट? 3 पे पावर 10 इक्वल बेस. तो फाइनली कि 2x इक्वल टू वाट? 10, x इक्वल टू 10/2, that means 5. So 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. You can solve the questions with the help of any method. It's completely depends your mathematical calculation. If your mathematical calculation is too strong, you can solve. Next, question number 15. The rest of the questions you have to solve. Question you have to solve. And 15, question number 15, prove that PT. 15 PT, prove that. So question number 1. Question number 1 is x पे power -1 into y into y पे power -1 into x, y पे power -1 into z and into z पे power -1 into x equals to what? 1. So this will be equal to 1. So LHS will be equals to what? X पे power -1, 1 by x into y root under 1, that means y, तो 1 बटे y into z into 1 by z into x. तो look at here, ये root a into root b into root c. Also this can be written as a to the power half into b to the power half into c to the power half. So that means कि a b c पे whole power half और root under a into b into c. Root under a into b into c. So finally we can write that कि y by x into z by y into x by z पे whole root. So this means x cancel z cancel y cancel equal to क्या 1. So therefore LHS equals to what? RHS. Hence proved. So I hope you understand all the questions, and it's your homework you have to solve. Homework is today, your homework is today is your homework is that 13 number, question number 13 1 2 3, question number 1 2 and 3, question number 14 and 5 3 and 5 3 and 1, and question number 15 2 3 1 2 3 2 4 2 3 4. It's your homework. So I hope you will solve all the questions. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your quality time. Have a nice day.